Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about motion chapter of class 9 physics. So here we will study about these topics: motion and rest of any object, physical quantities, as there are two types of physical quantities, scalar and vector. Then we will study about the speed, then uniform speed and non-uniform speed, or uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So let us see one by one. So here, as first topic is motion or rest, we are aware of object all around us, whether any object is moving or not moving. Like bike is moving on the road, bus, car, jeep, truck, they are moving. They are in motion. Ball is rolling. Football, when you are playing or cricket or any other game, ball is rolling, moving. Person is walking. So that is state of rest or motion. So any object which is rest, table is at rest, not moving. So you can easily identify any object is at rest or in motion when it changes its position. When object is changing its position with respect to time, after some time any object is changing its time, the bike is moving from one place to other, car is moving from one place to other, after 5 seconds, then the distance is covered, with some speed it is moving. So there is motion is there. So object is changing its state from rest to motion or motion to rest. By applying some force we can do that. Either we are doing personally or by mechanically, an object is displaced or changing its position. So that is the concept of motion and rest. So you have to write about any 5 objects around you which are in motion or in rest. Now next topic is physical quantity. We are aware of the lot of quantities around us. In physics we say that whatever quantity we can measure is called physical quantity. So what is physical quantity? Those quantity which we can measure is physical. Like distance, length you can measure by scale. Small distance you are using plastic scale. Long you are using by kilometer, meter. Okay, light year. So like that. So microscopically and microscopically, in whatever view, the scope of the physics as you are aware of it. So we can use this for measurement everywhere. Similarly, weight you are measuring, gram, centigram, milligram, kg, right? So similarly, lot of other things like quantity, like time you are measuring in second, minute, hour. So some units are there, standard unit which we are using to measure. Like you are going to shop to purchase, so you are going covering some distance. So that distance is the length you are measuring as measurable, is it? So those are the physical quantity, length, how much you have covered the distance. Similarly, you are taking some time to go from one place to home, other place, from home to your school. So that is measurable. And so these are the things which we can make speed. We are moving with some speed. Some force is applied. So those things which we can measure, force is measured in Newton. So every unit we can use for whatever the purpose, we have different unit. So here the physical quantity, those quantities which we can measure are called physical quantities. Example: length, mass, time. Time we are measuring in second, kg. Mass you are measuring, for example, length you are measuring in meter. So CGS system, MKS system, you are aware of it for measuring, okay, the units which you are using. Now similarly, scalar quantities or vector quantity can be there. Before that you must know about the magnitude. What do you mean by magnitude? Scalar quantities are those quantities which have only magnitude. Vector quantities are those which have magnitude as well as direction. For example, 5 kg sugar you are purchasing from the shop. So 5 kg. What you have written? 5 as the numerical value. This is numerical. In mathematics you know the numbers. And kg is what? This is the unit. So when these two things are there, together we call it magnitude. So magnitude of here, weight, how much kg? Is that 5 kg. 5 is the numerical value which tells about the quantity, amount of that substance, and unit tells about the nature. That kg means that is solid material. You have measured the weight also. When it is length, you will that liter is there, then we can say that liquid material is there. So likewise, just by seeing the unit, like 20 second, you are washing your hand. Okay, so 20, what is 20? 20 is the numerical value and second is the unit. So together is called, combined we call say the magnitude. So magnitude of the time is what? 20 seconds. So numerical value plus unit, we call it magnitude. So if any object having magnitude only, we can say that it is scalar quantity. For example, what are those scalar quantity? Can you tell? So mass you have measured in kg, length you have measured meter, time, density, mass, volume, area. So these are called scalar quantity because they don't have any direction. We don't say that the density is this much. What is the formula of density? It's equal to mass upon volume. So kg upon liter, centimeter cube. So volume is measured in cubic meter. So we can not say that the direction is there in the area. We can say that we will not say that the area is in this direction. Similarly, time we are not say that time 5 seconds this direction. So these are called scalar quantities which have only magnitude. We will say that 20 second or 5 kg or whatever, 20 meter or kilometer. So they have only magnitude and direction. This one, numerical value and the unit. So this is scalar quantity. For example, speed. Speed is also a scalar quantity. We'll say the vehicle is moving with this much kilometer per hour. This is speed. What is the formula of speed? Distance upon time. Correct. So speed is a scalar quantity. When we say the velocity, it will become vector quantity. Then it is has some direction also. The vehicle is moving at 40 km per hour in north direction. Then it turns to the east with 60 km per hour. So speed is changing, direction is changing. So that is the vector quantity as velocity. Then we will write about. But the formula will be same. Distance covered upon time. So here it will be displacement upon time. So distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is vector quantity.